Obiaba. Ente kwa sa sopa ni. Obo di team ko ti say presiding at the pepepe. Oyi ma se jwa so ah. Biwa Yesu. Everyone kwa kujasi. And from a bondum way, from PCC, sir, one song. Oh, it's a Wednesday. Unibank Betoso. Yeah, Boko say, no trouble upon some man, so such a morning.
Good morning, Mahini.
Bokode.
Adumo. Ene afi adum praise no ya shase. Mijiri se enanope wo bibia wo tie yen no. Wa sha na adum praise as won to ticket so wanya bi. Na we cry ya se aprokuma egu nhre no mpo na etikum akwadue na beso abibra. Aha kakra mpo ni o sima kakra ni. Ena efi ha ye hye se wo hwe se de amafo de ani gie tonwum no bi de echetim se afi adum praise na be ye de pa na ye ka afi a enya kwantintin bia adechie ya afi ada ena ye hwe animu ase nyine be kwa akohiem na
we might be sending me picture be on WhatsApp.
What's my end?
Now what you say?
Messi uno. Messi uno. Katreno.
Me the better Facebook.
Your friend Chris Cross.
Picture the better 2 hours spent on the wall hole.
And then mama lost him, no.
Oh, be fine.
Na me ado me na ho
jan kakrakra. Aso nti. Oh. Aso nti kakrakra. Ja. Mona mo ya so mpani for e ro fam betun ase.
Oh, yeah.
Eje shiamu aso mpani for say anaja chese. Ese ebre kwase. Ehye honhom ni nyina ase.
Amen. Amen.
Yanko bombe yemo ba ku bi wo na nka mo interest ba o de o
enya hwe me fa we mra daily graphic wa ha
conflict of interest so your interest be your interest we mba
shut up any shut up what it shut up any conflict of interest shut up ewa ha daily graphic ni e no say nanka ema wo mo fafuro one year kwa wo so awu achi wo mo hwere wo mo nkwa e wo bogatanga no na wo anim enti emampanifo de ne omagu akwa mu se wo mpese omutu ase kra na amane a efi ho no maba echirima wo se bogatanga regional hospital ye wo Upper East Mountain mu no nyame ya adom amasese o metimi akase eye pa se ye de toto afra se mfie mienu ni mfie miensa atwamu a wo hu se afidie ayeye emma no nyemu aya na yamhyehyie ni ho wo mo kwa awo so ayamhyehyie ni ho afa wo achi nsuso wo munya hwa emu oden enti ema awu na ewo ho no ene akofom kra kratafe to so aduonu nwotwe ewo graphic im ene wo se GS ehia nipa achechefo ene wone a wo mo nkyra de nso wo mo ye adwuma ewo acheche adwuma no mu empem nwotwe aha nwotwe ne aduoso mienu ena wode ho nsem abase afi September bosom ya yewura mi ena wo hyase afasa adwumayefo no nti so obi a wani gye acheche adwuma ho na wanya ntete no a ene na akwanyen unya Democrat daily graphic a ne krata fan to so aduonu nwotwe no eho ene wode aba na baako a emu ode kakra e wo krata fan to so miensa ene wo se Consolidated Bank o se wo ba beyi adwuma 4700 edi na wabubum wo de bokata mu se de be ya sika abosumi bia wo mo bo ka wo mo bo awesika krabia na dwuma yefo ye di twa wo ka wo mo nkrabata wo maga na mu de de betwa nyinam kane aka nsuo ka ye de to de be pepa form ne nkeka ho wo mbete so no enti ena wo mutu sa na mu wo mo se sesi adwumefo ho mpem yensa ne ahanson na sika wo mo esai no bosumi bia 60 million wo mo bu san kwento mu se mu odu eti won person mo te so na wo say ko Beige Capital ko Beige Bank no nko a Beige nko e be yi nipa hanson 700 edi na sikakra bia e ka ho e bi tisa Royal Bank, Construction Bank, Unibank, any Sovereign Bank eno no ye ka wo mo adwumefo e be yi wo mo adi nyina bomu a e ya apem eti the bokrata de abase one ye ye adwuma wo ho no hwekwan
Beige nko 700
Beige na se na o mobile bankers na dodo one year kwa bonten sko susufo no bebre
majority of contract staff
eti omo ne be yi ebeka wo mo kese mobile bankers no omo na omo wo bank ni dem ho no omo no dodo no ahonka enti na ma Beige for de no adoso no enti the bokrata graphic and nsamo a wo de amaye
abasa hyese ne ka so bia nkofi
eno no na ya hyase
you
Ghana samo ba sa ne ba no
no but say I think the omo kai na say 5 banks now are collapsing now. All the staff will be transferred to the new bank. You get it? And at that point in the transition, the idea will be but let's face it, say bank for take you over the asset of 5 banks. Ubet mark one whole area. So 5 banks need our branches for her. And only say be a consolidated bank and 5 branches one area. I mean that could not happen. And okay 5 banks ibo munswa. No, sir, in the banking industry or Ghana, no, majority of the staff are only a contract staff. In the ones on a contract staff will be our contract period. Say, and so our contract, and that's what we here our services at that point. You would go home. Me point, and they say, before say Bank of Ghana able to take the decision to collapse our 5 banks, no, not plan for staff, no, because he him say, the major thing we say yeah depositors is sika ewo ho no and the Bank of Ghana take care of sika ewo ho ebo more than na this new bank amount 450 million to capitalize and almost a raising bond of 5.7 billion Ghana cedis for the banks to run now taking care of liabilities now they only be near but staff no na plan ben they ho edema and visas are question the Bank of Ghana still any no enfa mine unfortunately you know UT Bank the Capital Bank in staff need be entitlement up as we speak among some kind it clearly you know a child say na plan be any ho for the staff and only idea visa was Bank of Ghana eba be year no edema
omuni answer
and then it's sad. It's sad.
Because
yeah, because Ujaima Consolidated Banker, new owners ne come what me on me downsize it.
Sure. Because next year, mine workers over 3,000 bekofi. ECG bebere bekofi next year. Ghana Water bebere bekofi next year.
That be ECG dieno. I am not too sure.
Me say, fasen ha, on bekofi.
No, sir Osha, the new owners na concessionaire na eba no o ba pursuant to an agreement was signing in the agreement no ewom for the first 5 years no
ECG workers no
yes
next year ma bomb koko makasa ebinim be kofi
no based on them
okay me dem catch now say ECG workers Ghana water workers next year ebinim ne mine workers in be kofi
no Ghana water what's the reason
okay
captain
yo
okay say
some catch now
because unim ECG there no so we ECG total staff strength in Ghana a little over 6,000 so we share a juma e wo ho a ECG and unim say majority of ECG juma nimpo na outsourced do omo de ma private third party vendors emomo ye enti core staff na nkasa no adwuma wo ho no ye adwuma eso
ebi be
and unim say me ba wo unim say uye new company concessionaire will take you over a company like ECG. Who said the skill set to work in ECG or share switchboard attendants or more money the various you can the substations near the no and your skill set obenya will be organ apart from staff never into a new company will take charger and mind you, a contract necessary for the first 5 years. Won't mean you will be against Nippon well. Say voluntary way they are fine.
So for a year, nobody a better to your mumpire. Nancy.
No, me know the American say yes. I'm not ruling out BBA, but the American say so. What's your contract now?
Contract
now. Show the reality.
Yes,
Chroma.
Supreme Court Chroma ruling in this.
Oh, na say different.
As a man, okay.
No, the American say so. What's your contract now? Now show the reality on the ground, Captain. Till. After 5 years, name random say now you can embark on you kind of saying retrenchment and by that time you will be a friend of natural attrition. In the best setting, it be called retirement, EBU and all of that. Staff strength will come back to normal level. Open because the thing is who you money and you go find the penny behind the eye.
And you won't make her. Me say next year, Ghana Water, ECG, mine workers, Ombe Kofi, Faseha.
Minim the original so okay. But the may share the contract and the reality on the ground.
Contract na oka. Because it is all mine be so contract here. Juma Pepe said the atron. Chrome her contract as some year can. And a contract between $80 million within 6 months.
The Chrome house Emrawa how?
Oh, say what do when they do. Young way do when they do. Chrome hatcher, you won't confirm to do a mukuma. Why you mean Namho? Men so table Namho. Other banks managers, one more board members, one more Namho. As man, I catch them some Kruma. Or maybe I'm ready to send Nigeria bankers, bank, men so table, and all the others in community. No, but sir, Ushe means so stable statement is what I will say. You quite or Hinijai or Mako, you have mobile phone. Yeah, on so Nipa or that 3 weeks. Police station because in your remand. Our police station, as in cells. Come on, Mrawaha, a chimwan ketwan. Tiasia. Come Hamra, a chimwan ketwan. No, necessary our cells for 3 weeks. Messy, I am finding Come Hamra, a chimwan ketwa. And check us here. Catch me. No, now, okay, baby said, what you mean in Namho? Oh. Oh, yeah, come Hambra, that chim one get one check us here. Maybe who got a contract to be a mechanic, Captain. On what you made now, okay, say the case now on two fronts. A criminal and civil. Criminal yes, sir. Civil. What did be? And you got on the Supreme Court is here. Yes, Yanniska, which is the civil case. This can do as you. Yeah, what do we trust as it can be 4 million? Yeah, 2015. Yes, because on also challenges some portions of our rule and court and also Emma Quine, the legal system now. Maybe I'm right. What do you mean, contract? Let me see, can do who manage money. Yes. Why me no contract? From the Supreme Court to watch today. Oh no, 2 years can we president is Mentia. Cobrado Fonto. Huh? Come Hambra, a chim one ketwa and check us here. I didn't. A chim one kitten. Nipa Cassian, the Bonia Casso Crumano. One more the pen, here, Jow. Tell me. Yeah, the pen near the Jow. Yeah, Clebby.
We go through legal processes. I can't want to
Boss, Papa,
so we go through
legal process. Ben, I okay, Hineba. Yentwas. Legal process.
Was it today newspaper? No interest.
Okay. That's your work. Get on there. And so man not go.
Was it today newspaper? No interest.
Oh, okay. What was our crowd interest?
Front page.
German fan.
Duncan Williams blast Otterber's critics. And I will serve my father's Kentucky Teiko Churu the second. And a UT boss accused of money laundering. But interestingly,
I should think so.
Okay. It make kinda or him actually was
can let you very friends for me. What I can treat Krakom. Can you treat Krakom?
Oh, yes.
Okay. The story no air kase penny power that Christian Action Faith Ministries are no. The dino ye Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams. They be now friend of the Papa. The Papa. Also, where a footwear comma a Christopher is a Captain Smart. Say in summer a founder and general overseer of ICGC, Pastor Means or Tabel Honor, a Christopher Shawana New Year.
WC and shut up.
Oh, Nyambotre. Shut up, Robert Cano Tree was saying.
You come
Yankaya Nuntum, Mwano, Neoma won't Tiasia was answering on the Shana one Kebi.
Nyamabea.
So you'll be a while banking issues near, then you'll be on a tears here, and the course who only information now. Come on,
and yeah, information did to me.
Information.
Yeah, information that's it.
Information.
We a Christian. You are governed by the Constitution of God,
sir.
And our Constitution say you don't sacrifice one of your own into shut up.
There be will sacrifice. We are not sacrificing Men's Table, the pastor. We are sacrificing Men's Table, the board chairman. Two different things.
But what here in some now one can say more beyond Casa Crown.
Or say shut up.
Or say a Christopher dear.
Yes, shut up.
Because Utie statement, how can say, I am saying that to Christians. As for unbelievers and earthly people, they have the right to talk. But for us Christians, we are under God's constitution.
So they are trying to say, yeah, Christopher, no be the bonny a yankataso. Men shut up and kata bonny no sunyasa.
On Casa.
Duncan Williams, the second capital banco.
Oh, who say they win?
Nisika da Hong Kong kabi. Say the sika da to say Coco say you tiase here, then Casa Bank negunu, one ye kokuna, Konkasi and shut up.
Or say Christopher.
Me say that not
for unbelievers.
Coco say not, and or Anglican on command to our. Coco say not, and yan to one or come, or Anglican. Duncan Sikan now. Sankan Sika da wa. And then Maya, Wakwajina Bank. Me kope 1,200 Ghana. They are catching some 14 days answer. 1,200 Ghana. Say the sick da wa.
Or say I want to caution every Christian to shut your mouth.
Software
Bible says, judge not, and you may not be judged. So shut your mouth.
We are not judging. We are talking about the wrong thing. Bible says. Bible says and I want to refer in the Bible. Bible say when you are turning just a buaten. See said you you know.
Yes.
And you the papa
based on
say we are board chairman now ultimate now. When I say board there, we share board as a board chairman of a banker. Board management no more threshold. Want me tra some of this ask can be mobi. I just board a board chairman team approve. But ninu ya so for penny men so table. Report they say ill
qualified.
It is a way of software Bible actually say there were who didn't timi na nko ho. Enti na men so table what kind of quotation they preach that. Said there were who didn't timi na nko ho. Na woni say we ill qualified na kwaje a. Na we what's up catch me smart say bank
very simple. We share video na no.
Say the man say banking there we have baby scanning free ba. Now I heard scan baby abeba beto no baby akọ.
Enti no dem say so no why you me. Why na say so ko jail first. On one year no mama. Why am I 57 million? best what be 610 million. One two one in the kankoje. On one answer.
Nyabotre. Because say o kind report ni nso biewa criminally no report no inciting for any criminal and when him say investigations cause intie I was say careful and so how and mind you say
the document
meba the report in the public domain boldest report no just one side of the story and you careful and so say one side of the story until your reaction to allegations
the reaction in answer God is good when you had the reaction by
and when you say no kwaka say yoko for
Debbie the person Ghana 40 and
the okache na sorry ma
Debbie or say you have heard
yes
na me ma wo defense a wo kwa abonten a
factory
fact wo de akoka
ba me nyini so akoyi yoko ho asa no yoko say God is good
sa Ghana mran chemu anketo a enchi akase de bi me nhwe wate yan kata Kristo ni pani bi ade so obi nim ya ade anya yeka obi nim de oye anto akonfo obi nim oye anto akonfo aya so fo mpani fo no munya say ye na papa nim di apostle wate amen kwa ahoma no so ohene ba kwasi afewua oye feed forwarder eja bo me nkomo me enko
captain of me dase na le ra ho yie se yeti Ghana ha na yin ya no Ghana fo etimi abi adwuma ye bank na ya so ye businessman na ye fo se Ghana ne abi bank dia na se o diska no kokoto a o sika no aye secure Ghana ne nya sika o de beton memo ha nene captain ye bo ye ni alisuo and yesu captain make us say me sika me de bo me bra aye madwuma etwa me waka sika ni nyina koka consolidated banka so ko bank ho not even the manager nimpo o information o de ma wo customer no say o sika no ena na so cha na sabeka Bank of Ghana take that position say omo the bank na ma consolidated bank omo 10 days say your deposit money no is secured and no yan train 10 days no establish no omo sa send message aba say fixed deposit e ho no omo teso e di aba 13%. Yeni fika afi yesika do so a yensa beka no so a okwa bank manager no kwa say onim what is going on 18% no pay meka na Mr. Addison our governor Bank of Ghana say obeche me bia no office wa on che me na me sanka misika say me hu dwa me pa enti masam na tintinti ano
sika be say be 50,000 Ghana cedis
captain 50 dia kamada over 1.8 million Ghana cedis
and akoka ho
a minye sika mpo nyamadwuma 1.8 million Ghana cedis it is here no minim ba bia consolidated ba omo de call a number bi at ofro bi emfa eti minim sa Adom FM de mo fidie na du akiri mo nka bi mai na ato ni suo ye hu ne anye ho
eti now say fixed deposit no mo tete so say
fixed deposit no o ma tete so near bank no the contract over the Maya almost rate is no Maya almost take over much so about 13%. 30% no with that you notice say be a client here fraka chose be a sika no Adom the day no say near rate me the amount just say information be a and I come on so san kan sika information be a Friday community manager no ye to mamento bango osuma sa me kwa metia no yesi me kofi eti manager no kofi a na me wura bango ho na me kaka matia minim ba bia consolidated so omo headquarters wo e na ado no so a ni din wo we no so minim ba bia no office wo enti ado from there mo betimi akaya so mama captain yes remo a mo nke bi mai le atete metimi tram office go sika me de bo me bra eye adwuma ni nyana no akoka consolidated bank
na workers we dey na obetu omuka
anu ya say workers 47 if you call me last time I did my con the USA renew ewo a GRE. Bill as I did a cemetery, I mean, country. There was almost all between office in Monso. No, Mr. Cat the whole summer Sanka. Now, you're quite not here by your first come to bank. I in no bank, a gun of war, more beer bank, no. Not almost to her. Not Bank of Ghana for almost I am money treating 1 month this banks in Yano, almost 20 and I hear customers say, yeah, bread. And collaborate be a school, see a better school fees, I have a problem. I have a problem. Now, scatter bank, we need access to the money. Many Ganos also are also nothing council to go to the bank or no to cap or an asako.
Quasi with us, a point by Bonco.
With us.
And a down. Me, I will not shut up.
You will not shut up. Meaning, sir, banks, advert. Me fancy a call bank or a call super safe. No, I catch you say, who discovered to us say 3 months and I'll be any rollover and only your interest rate I demand different. And no, and I attract me. And the mammy dimisika aquacoto. It is a dear chain. That's all consolidated. Now, one from my catch him say, why do you know when it does say a 30%? You know, my 14% at the Amawa. What are you telling me? And you'll be business, and you'll be sick.
Shut up.
When you baby, I'm a confess, can you fee? Abiana, Messumiko G loan were baby.
Shut up.
And I'm a investment. Meaning, said this investment, what convinced me, I'm a mayen. Sika beba suni intimidate kwa kwashe baby. So at the end of the day, if you don't from me catch him say you're consolidating into yati sika no so yati with interest no so. I mean, what are you telling me?
What I'm telling you is that shut up because God is good.
No.
Oh no.
Captain Unim. The Emma way a serious issue. They say, maybe your fixed deposit will be each bank. And consolidated bank can take you over. Or take you over asset and some liabilities. Good. Into your take you over now, message is a call around. In the message, I mean, dear fixed term deposit customer, and where you enroll. And run a message way back. And run not earlier ones. And run away, but I say, please be informed that CBG, that's Consolidated Bank Ghana, continues to guarantee your deposit with the defunct Beige Bank. Kindly bear with CBG as it finalizes reconciliation of accounts needed to facilitate payment as soon as possible. Our call center is available to answer any further questions. Thank you for your patience.
So be fair.
But I mean, they have me away minister because met me contract at rail. I'm a fixed deposit interest. I mean, also I'm no open. It's now to me negotiate. Depend on Sika what they got one. It may be 30% based on me negotiate because a range. In the NSM 30%. Not because of say new bank at
13.
Say
13.
That's a joke.
What's a joke?
It's a joke.
Shut
it's a joke.
Shut up!
It's a joke.
Shut up!
It's a joke. Because once I may want a letter and a contract to show. Way money some of the questions I was a Bank of Ghana yesterday.
Then when yes. Almost say some liabilities.
Absolutely.
One for liabilities, Nina. Or
No.
And your contract.
No. And yet, Wayne can't.
Contract too.
Captain Tio, account holders, no accounting now, no transfer. Now, if you said DRDNT, Captain, DRDNT near amount of 450 million capitalization, and I buy a raise 5.7 billion. I raise bond at the amount is supposed to do what? And for Sanyo way 90, they should seriously come again.
Obi.
Now,
any serious country under the sun. And Kasan
I agree. I agree. The point they say we don't know Adia Ioko yet with our investigations. And Ioko so unfortunately among the public and Nkasa, the Bank of Ghana is also quiet. Only Omakasa, the Omakan say, oh, yeah, the reporting now Koma Ioko. And I think we should see Unim. They be anfisa sa a bufu and I was Ghana for about Sadi, Yenya, and it started with Parliament. Because many free say on this scandal, I had the biggest financial scandal ever in history, mono. And was like a recall of Parliament put to decide because unim Parliament Ejima Finance Committee, Nipa 13, and a co-meeting of the Finance Committee. 9 votes say in-camera hearing, and 4 votes say omonyano public. In the majority they carry vote, no. But for such a serious issue, near in-camera hearing for 3 days, we are joking.
What do you say about it, sir?
Adom.
Embrace Mwanketoa.
Because I think, say, Sankienya recall of parliament important this month. Because why? Yet me recall parliament. Emombe vote say President Ikotogo in the Ababe swear Speaker of Parliament in as acting president. Now yenya a recall all 275 parliamentarians ever. And for this issue, the government of Ghana Air Committee 8 billion Ghana cedis. Captain, unim say annually. Your infrastructural budget in this country, just say yes, you see a school dying, yes, you see hospitals, yes, you see BBA in one whole year in Ghana, less than $2 million.
2 billion.
2 billion US dollars, sorry, $2 billion US dollars. In Ghana city terms, no, just around Sika, our bank scandal we. Into a serious issue.
The money you say. Any pananka so no one seek or disclose my Bank of Ghana some percent DBA bank ready. And I want so Juma ye sika koto hono so so ma said. And they are buying the come out and ye said about Ghana for about Messanyo music so was said. No to one that fear says I should shut up because God is good. This one God is bad.
God is good. Human beings are bad.
This one God will be bad. Because he would allow you to be punished.
Yeah. Like Obi said, Bank of Ghana and planning BBA and depositors. One planning BBA and my investors. One planning BBA and my staff.
That is why we have to get angry the more.
Sa anger na
madia. Shut up.
Madia. Because Captain Unim say Ukai and Uze 5 banks in question. So far the Yaka Capital Bank they are so and when me came from Bank of Ghana and Casa Governor this statement, time I know your first press conference.
Can you bank there no? Can you bank there no? And be search na. Okay. To the kan bibi kakra. Okay.
Inti ewaha say Unibank and Royal Bank were identified during the AQR update in 2016 exercise to be significantly undercapitalized. The 2 banks subsequently submitted capital restoration plans to the Bank of Ghana. These plans, however, yielded no success in returning the bank to solvency and compliance with prudential requirement. The official administrator appointed for Unibank in March 2018 has found that the bank is beyond rehabilitation. TWO, shareholders, related and connected parties had taken amount totaling 3.7 billion Ghana cedis, which were neither granted through normal credit delivery process nor reported as part of the bank's loan portfolio. It was a loan who go through process be we know that be in the collateral.
Yes, that's why trust say loan.
No, yeah, sure. In addition, amount totaling 1.6 billion Ghana cedis had been granted to shareholders, related and connected parties in the form of loans and advances without due process and in breach of relevant provisions of Act 930. Into altogether, shareholders, related and connected parties of Unibank had taken out an amount of 5.3 billion Ghana cedis, constituting 75% of total assets of the bank. It's crazy. It's crazy.
5.3 billion.
It's crazy.
Enti ehni for na almost so in the line. And yesenka Bank of Ghana be me hunu banks are more good standing. Sisi a ya ni omo ye business a. Eni kwan so yem hyehyew. De akeka ko UT na de ba ye. UT de ba ye no. Na yesu. Ena anche kura 5 banks enso ya consolidate.
Yeah.
Banks baby on aka. Yenim de ekoso. You get it? Because there are other banks who say so crampo de omo de na ko e chen de ye dikan ati. And the Bank of Ghana enye say
so mama na
publisher me ye hu.
Wo de so mama na me kwa amasna me ne honorable Kwabena Adom ko. Former energy minister and DWASO
Obeka bank is
very interesting point. Bank asem ko you read no beka bia electric producers ya do beto so cause some full grade 300 some full power grade 300. Honorable Kwabena Adom ko good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Mato onkrado.
You but
Bibi e bokori akra.
Nyame Adom bibi ajamya
from and Papa be we were full constituency here.
Yo, Pacho Mamintio, Fab Bank and some Hone, Ejumaya for no, my producer, I let him so very interesting opinion. Pacho Mamintio.
The producer, Miano. Of where I may rank member on employment.
Okay.
Now, earlier on, we raised the issue, no, every bad and we raised the issue, no, say, Bank of Ghana, yes, Bank of Ghana, the kind of Kahon, Obuji Wakonte, the Bank of Ghana, ye, a Jumas regulator, and can move baby a drum. And a protocol, I said the relation of duty, and a ma, that crisis in Abba. Now, maintain the Bank of Ghana, a unipedi. Omo, Yanni, to me, yet now, the almost yes in a sinner, you will be ready. Now, workers, no, and Capital Bank workers, UTC, UT workers, etc. Omokoya, Fiaba, almost several pay. A year, a juma, or my year, especially Pia or Moka. A sinner in Pia or Moka. Maybe Abrabo Ayabasa. And say, yet a nipper, a deep sound of Kahun, Abbott nephew, Abbott Kahun, and no any hammer. Say, or mine, a said dear, set wicked dear, where ye Juma or deserve on several. It's your man. A Capital Bank on interest a Bank of Ghana G. Nebu 255 million cedis or more liquidity support the ma woman and you find chow a loan and a Bank of Ghana at the ma woman interest 25 to 27%. It is a money not workers, thousands of workers with next year. The least a Bank of Ghana bet me a year. Is to ensure say almost severance pay no ye the amount more said so quite you no be kwaje na why fu a otimi di akoye e ho ene ha me say Bank of Ghana maintain say Bank of Ghana for omo ayi omo anyi omo aduma yi a emma we nyina si ye no obi kofie na innocent worker for no fault of his or hers ekotnefie. None of severance are by law or you're entitled, no, and also in TI. And the Nipano, quite near media coffee, page 700 a bigger sound quacker home. A honey hammy. As ranking member on Committee for Employment, State-owned Enterprise and Social Welfare. A hammy pa.
Honorable, me da say how. Na how back on say I say Parliament mindim asem no munhu say so because cash for seats in some we buy 100,000 Ghana cedis per. You recall a Parliament where we are talking about an amount of money. You bet me see your friend saying 250 bed hospital in each district. Sikaya ye kan wasemi e bet me see e blocky. A bet me see 250 at a go. The same amount of money. A bet me a motorway. Sama kumako 73. The total amount of money involved no is so huge to an extent. Say, na yenim sanka ba na nka parliament kura no e bia nka mokofie de na nso ko bia ye bibi say speaker no be lobby o na nka ya recall parliament to see the urgency of it because me sika kwada baby na obi akodi na I have to suffer. Now you say I'm buying Kopesika for I recapitalize these banks or some raise bonds at the Abaro banks consolidated bank because Obia Discano.
And no crown me won't simply so far Bank of Ghana almost version and a war out almost version question marks with the yes, the banks may be illiquid and now insolvent, but is there evidence that bank no amount for sika ira? Because Oya Capital UTD, Yoko for crowd report, investigation report. Let's learn as a people to be fair to all, irrespective of whether you like the person or you don't like the person. Principles to be principles of natural justice. As I said, Yema at home. Me NDC ni, someone say nipa me MPP ni. The rights as I say protection no. Me NDC ni me protect MPP ni right. Sana me expect say MPP ni so protect me rights. Na yehu baby a enokreda. Yehu baby a enokreda yie. Na so ye twi nipa na so a na ejina mra so. Na we the as a Bank of Ghana na great me yi kitu bi ato. Nipa no enya kwan enka ono so ne side. Me say because Bank of Ghana e convinced anka yamfanko yoko so mo investigate. And think Yoko, I neutral body investigation in no. Anka, let's shut up in terms of where you say. That trial by media, no. And you're right for the country. But I'm a work on Kadimika, but maybe a year grew, no. And can say try no. The Yoko is really Yoko reporting me. Nothing a better bon it will come once them. And no crano, therefore say you could clear to man or money you have to be challenging you of course. But you know where we are. And Crawford had any reputation. When cars will be near Bonnie and no be a Bonnie. As we stand, no, I don't know. Because our company CB, Bank CB, and then Crawford I point to one more, such as your monsters or no. They have previously expressed interest in buying or investing in some of these companies less than 6 months ago. There were evidence. Now, in Kasaba had. Now, they have many workers, also Munkufi. Substantive issue, they have the appropriate bodies in your investigation. Now, workers face Munkufi, why Juma? That's on called Ghana Consolidated. And Ghana Consolidated name for an Juma. The bank for an Juma, ABA base, or more conditions of service in the Kika home, on in the established here. In TN, also say you entering your Juma beam, now what the for Miss Rose, ma, there were any with ship, out to Unkufino, Kiano, and several. And yes, a Ghana Consolidated Council of the Fan and now on Panura may a different issue. What the worker has earned, the worker must be paid.
Honorable Medasi, BBS say sure Safrio. Me call court to be one. Na me call your name, the branch be able say, or your suspect.
Okay.
I'm in a way. Na prosecutor no shas ye no say investigation in CP.
Okay.
Na ebetimi say nipa no wa bonten e be hadwe.
Okay.
Enti court na remand
no. No muntimi nye investigation.
Court na grante.
Okay. Based on the circumstances now prosecution depend to the court no.
Circumstances e what bank adie when say wo nyina call remand pending investigation. Top managers na
board members
na by nanka wo nyina won some remand pending investigation. Time at DKM any God is loving some by no see at wom kogu mo bi na yoko pending investigation no mo dem obi na
and no so kwa the amount involved na nuru we o
etinka by no obi boka sok no dem the remand pending investigation.
Obi so abob tie.
Now with them pending and your friend is serious country. Where you then crash some pen obe hu elitist coalition. Paper where you nipa where you say we no you say we can be my answer what
and the problem no oh they tie the honorable member no eka oh the here me and workers not there
then work can
absolutely in the workers situation if in buy enti omo cause problem in the oh yenya about traffic na yoko air shame and ade but the here me workers na there no how can we deal with workers na there say I'm sure the root cause of this problem
oh here me say any serious country by now when you now remand ending investigation to say the Nigeria for you yeah, dear grow.
And telling me, and this thing as always our parliamentarians now can say, oh, I didn't know Ioko in the parliament they will see a nyabo. I just don't get it.
They don't get it. Yamin Shahati, as already. Rather the mental panel can say more than
yeah, Conas and economist, Owafa. Roads and Highways Minister. Pokwase kwano. Asem wo nim nanso na de ne chen we ya chen we nkrofo ma ya bu omo walls agu. On peso omu tu compensation ne mai. Na no de mo faase wan shada nwa ya asem na ni. Besi cyber yenten nka. O se by Friday ni atene nka yenten nka. Enti won hwe no wontu. On minister, sector minister. Enti na ni din ne e bo.
Finance minister.
Enti na ono ankasa nso gitu mu say obe follow up because eni nanim. Na edu nanim besi cyber yenten hwe. Ya bu nkrofo legu omwe nkwada atifie ompeso omutu compensation mai enti misre no onya wofase no fanya adwuma
ni fancy amenda no me home rana abaya na de na batem
nsonko sio ana impruka eyempemu mwa waboni a won